What is going on, guys? We're back today. We're going to be doing an oil change. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, learn how to do your oil, a whole bunch of other stuff. If you're an existing subscriber, this video is probably not for you, but you can stick around anyway. So first thing we're going to do, jack up the car. Okay, now she's jacked up. This can slide under there easily. You can slide under there easily. Make sure you get your jack stands, because we don't trust this thing. And we don't trust these either. But together, maybe it won't kill us. I mean, that's what we're hoping for. Alright, I took it up another notch. And got the jack into there for that extra pressure. You know how I do. So next we're going to come around and unscrew this. Next we're going to take the oil filter off. So we're going to need this big boy. This is I think it's 27. Yeah, 27 millimeters. Huge, massive. I feel like they had their own aisle. Alright. Stick this on something long because it's deep down in there, man. Alright. Alright. Your setup's got to look like something like this if you want to be comfortable. And the oil filter is right there. And you will not be able to do this by hand, so you need that 27 millimeter. Alright, and then you're going to need some paper towels so you don't make a mess. You want to do this quick too so you don't make a mess. Because the paper towels are going to save you, or shop towels or whatever, but not nothing crazy. Ooh, look at that. Alright, on the count of 3. 1, 2. Ugh. Gross. Always definitely good to bring a bag with you so you can just look at that. No mess. I didn't spill a drop of oil. Except for in the hallway on my way down here. I am a complete idiot, y'all. Almost threw this cap away. So, some oil filters, not with this Dodge Dart, not the turbo 1.4 liter. Turbo 1.4 liter has this cap thing, and you're going to need to pull this old oil filter out of there. So I'm actually going to set my camera down and use the bag to do that because I don't have gloves. And it just pulls right out. It looks like that. It doesn't, you don't got to twist it or anything. It just pulls straight out. And then you'll put the new filter in. If you have the 2.0 or the 2.4, it'll be the same thing, but you know, you have the filter. You don't have one of these. You got the one that's like enclosed completely, and it's on the underside of the car right beside the oil drain plug. I'm actually not sure about that for the 2.4, but definitely for the 2.0. But this will just pop back in here. Here it click into place. That's what we like to see, right? STP provide, ooh, low battery. STP give us a new O-ring for our cap. Ours isn't bad, but got a new one, so why not? And these things are a pain to get off if you don't have like a screwdriver, so get one of those. All right, we got our new ring on, and we're gonna need to lubricate that, and you use some of the new oil for that, or some of the old. Some people prefer, and a lot of people, you know, some people like to prime their filter. I don't know how to do that. You just dump oil in there or what? Like, So we'll go ahead and prime it, I guess. Get a little on there. Let me just rub that all around. And then I'm gonna go ahead and prime it. I'm gonna pour it in there off camera. Filter primed. Alright, and then we'll just stick it back in its little unit there. You know, you can't see anymore, because it's customary for me to come out here at night with no battery. That's what am I doing? Littering. Putting that back in the box. Filter back in place. We're going to put the cover back on. Tighten that up. Not too tight. That's good. Next, we're going under the car. Oh, and my bag is leaking. Ain't that some shit, y'all? Okay, now we're getting under the car. Oh, and that's a tight fit. Oh, it's not even that far for real. It's right here. Alright, so right here, you can see. Oh, I am tripping. This is where it would be the oil filter. Jeez, why am I all zoomed in? This is where it would be if you had the 2.0 or the 2.4. But we don't. We got a 1.4. We got the fast one. It's like, all right, so we get under here. You definitely can't. You can see. All right, right there. Maybe I can crank the oh, would you look at that? Yeah, right there. I'm gonna take this door off. Voila. The bolt. She's there. You can't see it, but she's there. So this Dodge Dart takes 13 millimeter to undo the oil drain bolt, which is up here in this compartment right here. Alright, definitely needed my breaker bar, but once you get, you're going to probably spill a little here, as am I. Once you get it broken loose, you can pretty much do this by hand. You're going to need to do this quick, because as soon as you move this plug, it's going to start flowing. Black River. Alright, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Ooh, what's this? Something that could give me a flat tire. Let's get that out of the way. Okay. Alright. Here's my pen. Make sure you don't drop the bolt in here too. I do that a lot. Ooh, you can see it flowing. Alright, you just wait a couple minutes till it stops dripping. And then you put the bolt back in and fill her up with clean oil. Yep, got everything done. Only thing left to do is to fill her on up. Oh, definitely use a funnel when you do this. I'm gonna go get mine. Okay, that was by far the worst oil pour I've ever done in my life. I'm gonna blame STP on the pour bottle design, because it was just not flowing for real. But that's everything. If you like what you saw. Oh, and also if you spill this much oil, you're gonna see a bunch of smoke when you start her up. So If you like what you saw, give me a like. Please give me a subscribe. Please. And see you in the next one.